Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to cover the rest of the MCQs of the chapter number 5. In the previous two videos lecture, we talked about the MCQs of the chapter number 5. In the first video of the chapter number 5, we talked the 20 MCQs, and after that, we talked other 20 MCQs of the chapter number 5. And before that, we already covered the MCQs of the fifth chapter. So if you miss this, so you can go back to my channel and watch it. If you there is also a link in the description, and the name of this is important MCQs of the microbiology. So you can just click it and you will watch all the video, okay, which is really important for you. Now today we will start our MCQs journey of the chapter number 5 from the 40 number 1 from 41 MCQs. So the 41 MCQ says that the reproduction rate is equal to the death rate. In which stage? So it is mostly in the decline stage. A is the correct option. Minimum growth temperature is, so it is actually the lowest temperature at which the bacteria or we can say the microorganisms can grow. B is the correct option. 43 MCQs says that the optimum temperature is greater than 45 degrees Celsius. That is actually the mesophiles. So A is the correct option. The organism which can grow both in the presence and absence of oxygen, so we call it facultative anaerobes. C is the correct option. 45 MCQ says that the organism which can grow best in the presence of a low concentration of oxygen, so we call that Microaerophilic. B is the correct option. 46 MCQ says that the compound that is added to the medium to absorb oxygen for the creation of aerobic conditions, so this is actually nitrous acid. B is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 47 that says that the utilization of the light energy to derive the synthesis of ATP is called as, so it is mostly called as photophosphorylation. So B is the correct option. 48 MCQ says that during cyclic phosphorylation NADP is formed or sometime it is not formed. So what we call that, it is actually the no NADP formation. A is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 49 that says that cyclic phosphorylation is generally present in, so it is actually present in cyanobacteria. A is the correct option. Then 50 MCQ says that non-cyclic phosphorylation is known as, so it is actually known as photosynthesis. B is the correct option. MCQ 51 says that the number of ATP molecules formed during cyclic phosphorylation are called there are actually 6 ATP molecules, so D is the correct option. Then we have 52 MCQs that says that the artificial transformation in laboratory is carried out by the treating the cells with, so if we treat it with the calcium chloride, so then we can artificially transfer the genetic material. D is the correct option. The process of the mesozygote is called what? Meromaxis. is the correct option. Which of the following organisms require tryptophan for the growth? So Salmonella typhi. D is the correct option. Required the tryptophan. Okay. Then we have tuberculosis bacilli that grow best in the presence of oxygen. So B is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 56 says that mycotoxin are formed during the end of what? So it is mostly formed during the end of log phase. Remember, log phase. Match the following growth characteristics with the respective temperature range. So these are actually the bacteria names. These are actually the names of the bacteria that can grow on the specific temperature. So let's match these bacteria with their correct options. So first of all we have saccharotrophs. So saccharotrophs are mostly grow Secrotrops are mostly grow at a temperature of 25 to 45. So for this, C is the correct option. Then we have mesophiles. So mesophiles are mostly grow at a temperature of 0 to 4 centigrade is the correct option. Thermophile mostly grow at it grow at 60 above the 60 centigrade as well. Then we have vegetable bacteria. So vegetable bacteria are mostly grow at 25 centigrade. Yeah, D is the correct option. Then we have 58 MCQ says that the following organism with their respective source. So these are the name of the organism and their source of energy, means they obtain their source of food. So for the first bacteria, that is the Acromobacter, so they obtain their food from the milk and cheese. So the best source is milk and cheese product is the correct for the first option. Aspergillus flavus, so for this the correct option is bread is the correct option. So we make the bread from Aspergillus flavus. Then Oscillatoria sectonema, for this the correct option is water supply it is used. Okay, so B is the correct for the third. Then for the fourth, Clostridium negriticans, so for this the correct option is meat. So C is the correct option for the fourth. Then we have 59 MCQs. That 59 MCQ says that these are actually the bacteria and their growth on bismuth agar. So the first option we have Salmonella typhi. So Salmonella typhi on the bismuth agar they produce black colonies. So E is the correct option. Then Salmonella chloratius they produce green colony. So C is the correct option. Then Salmonella flexirina they produce brown colony. So A is the correct option. Then we have E. coli. So E. coli produce no growth. Okay, so B is the correct option, because these media are especially for Salmonella and Shigella. This type of this media is used to. Then we have MCQs number 60 that says that the suitable temperature to transport viral culture. So for this the viral culture are mostly transport at 5 degrees Celsius. B is the correct option. The growth curve does not include phase of bacteria. So for this we call that cyanochorus growth. So D is the correct option. Then we have the last MCQs of this chapter, which says that bacteria are the most sensitive to antibiotic at which phase of the curve. So it is mostly sensitive when the bacteria at a log phase, so then it is sensitive to the antibiotic. Okay, so D is the correct option. So that's all about the chapter number 6 MCQs, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.